Can't wait to dig into this. This is a special holiday promotion from Parallax. We have only 100 units. We call it the Flip Holiday Light Kit. Let's take a look. Definitely something to do when the relatives come over. If I want to hide from them or involve them, there's some cool stuff in here. There's an OLED, a flip, WX Wi-Fi module, some WS2811 LEDs, 5-position switches, a bag of components, a breadboard. Let's go. Okay, got that done. Got my wires in. What's next? Grab the resources off the Parallax site. Got it wired up in 23 minutes. 16.4 feet of RGB LEDs. Got to plug those in too. The engineer said, press the reset button 3 times. What? It looks like the Wi-Fi modules are pre-programmed. All I got to do is put in my wireless access point info. All right. So I chose guess, and then the lights went on, and then moving the button, it says pick a button, left or right. All right, I'll try that. It says, oh, it changed colors. And there's some sound too. Cool. What's this? A snake? Here we go. Oh, got it. Can you go back and get it? Try not to go the wrong way. Whoops, I missed it. Left the space. Oops. Okay, navigating through the Wi-Fi access points, I was able to log into Parallax Guest by entering my password. Okay, I downloaded SpinTools IDE from Microsoft. It runs under Mac, Windows, and Linux. And then I switched the USB cable over to the wall power supply that was included. And since I put the module already on the wireless network that I'm connected to, I can press F7 or go on Show Devices. And now you see it's wireless over the access point. So I could choose it, and then I could download the sample code to it over Wi-Fi. And I'll give you a look at what that code does next. Running the sample code now and powered through the USB brick, not connected to the computer. So I downloaded that code over Wi-Fi, and it looks like the left button advances the red LEDs on one side of the strip, and the right button does the same for the green. Okay, lots of room to do different things, so check our site for different animation codes. I'm going to get a picture of this and put it on a tree.